Nestled amid a grove of stately old trees less than 2 miles east of Taos Plaza, you'll discover Old Taos Guest House Bed and Breakfast. For a bird's eye view, come with us as we take off high above this 200-year-old hacienda. From the backyard to the front courtyard, notice the lush vegetation created because of the ancient acequia irrigation system. Looking south, you can see the adobe buildings and the large 5-acre field behind that ensures expansive views of the sunsets across the Taos Valley. As your eyes follow the horizon, the Sangre de Cristo Mountains make a scenic backdrop and paths to many wilderness adventures. Seeing this historic property from a bird's eye view shows its great location in the mountains of northern New Mexico.